Fred Williams, XL Prime. Count the number of R in each sentence. Very straightforward. We're going to use when. Well, we're going to do a little substitution here. Remember this? In the substitutes. And if you don't remember substitute, B5. Okay, go to substitute. Find and replace text case sensitive. We have the text. Here we have text, which is B5. Old text, C3. What are we going to do? New text. What if we take the length of B5 minus our substitutions? Those are going to be blanks. Isn't that going to give us a number? And if we take this number and divide it by whatever we substituted, should give us, if it's true, should give us 1. Here, we have this len, B5, going to give us this. We're still way early before this is over. Then if we go over here and we look at this, F9, notice R is missing. We take this length minus this length and divide it by 3. What are we going to get? We're going to get 1. F9, 1. Let's try this. F9. 47 minus F9 minus 44. We're going to divide this by F9 by 3. 47 minus 4. Isn't that amazing? So here we just take len. Len minus len is 3 and divide it by 3 and we get 1. You can do this one of two ways. You can copy this down and you could just use sum, or we just wrap up the whole thing in SUMPRODUCT. It will provide the answer of 3. Over here is the narrative. Keep in mind that substitute is case sensitive. If that becomes an issue down here in the narrative, there's an example. I'm not going to discuss it here, but you can throw in an upper. It will change the case all to upper. That in itself may be a problem, but there's always an option. There's a solution. Just it really depends on whatever you're trying to accomplish. Fred Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.